Hi, my name is Hannah Bailey. I'm an assistant professor at CMIST. Broadly, my research has three main focus areas. So first of all, I look to develop novel computational methods to detect social phenomena. So I look to draw from cutting-edge machine learning methods and use them to detect trends in online data. So I look at text data, image data, a whole variety of large-scale data, and I develop these methods to detect trends in these data. In particular, I use them to detect trends in political communication, which is the second strand of my research. In particular, I look at how authoritarian states seek to use text and images to communicate at scale with online audiences. So I look at what these authoritarian states are saying and how they're saying it to all these international audiences. What are they trying to achieve via this messaging? And I use these methods to detect, again, what these narratives contain and how effective they are at convincing international online audiences. And third, I look at how developing technologies such as AI might be integrated within this influence operation framework. So how are authoritarian states using AI to make their messages more persuasive, to spread them at scale? And finally, I look more broadly at how developing technologies such as AI may be used within the context of political decision-making and the risks that we may expect alongside this integration. So for example, a politician might consult a large language model when making a decision or looking to summarize a brief. But then that might have connotations. What about the perhaps biases or misalignment embedded in these models? So there are so many questions we have surrounding the development of these technologies, how these technologies might be used within decision-making, but then also to communicate at scale with online audiences. And that is the focus of my research.